Do you still spend hours writing proposals manually, formatting sections, double-checking pricing, and reusing old templates? Let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to generate professional business proposals using n8n automatically. Let's see how it works. Firstly, when clicking Execute Workflow, the workflow begins manually or through a trigger. Next, the workflow connects to a proposal datasheet containing client details, project scope, pricing, and deal stage. It fetches all lead information, so every potential deal can be reviewed and processed automatically. Next, a filter ensures only leads in the proposal stage move forward. This condition prevents draft creation for incomplete or unqualified deals. Only leads ready for proposal generation proceed to the next step. Next, to handle multiple proposals efficiently, the workflow loops through each qualified lead one by one. This avoids API rate limits and ensures each client receives a custom generated document. Then comes the intelligence layer. GPT-4o takes the client data and generates a structured professional business proposal including all the key details. The proposals are generated entirely from your provided data, no fabricated details. Now, the AI's raw output is cleaned and transformed into a well-formatted HTML email. This step extracts the subject line, automatically converts Markdown to HTML, applies clear professional formatting for Gmail delivery. The result is a polished proposal that looks presentation ready in any inbox. Finally, the workflow saves each generated proposal as a Gmail draft. All drafts are now ready for you to review, tweak if needed, and send directly to clients. At the end of execution, you'll have fully written, structured proposals ready in Gmail. If you manage client proposals, work in business development, or run an agency, this workflow will cut proposal time from hours to minutes while keeping your messaging sharp and consistent. You can download this exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automation builds like this every week. And if you want us to tailor this workflow to your own sales process, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.